A Mexican billionaire converts 10% of his portfolio into Bitcoin. Next on your 4-Minute Bitcoin. Today's show is from a post by Jimmy Akey at InsideBitcoins.com, and it's brought to you by Swan Bitcoin. Ricardo Salinas Pliego, a Mexican billionaire, magnate, and industrialist, has come out to double down on his support for Bitcoin during the asset's price rally. The businessman, who's worth an estimated $11 billion, is Mexico's second richest man and the world's 166th wealthiest man, and he declared his support for Bitcoin, advising his followers to dump cash. Pliego showed his support in a video showing banks dumping cash into dumpsters. The businessman asserted that cash is worthless, adding that people would need to quickly diversify into digital assets. A translated version of his caption explained that he recommends the book The Bitcoin Standard, and that book is the best and most important book for understanding Bitcoin. Bitcoin protects the citizens from government expropriation. He said many people ask him if he has Bitcoins, and he says he has 10% of his liquid portfolio invested in Bitcoin at this time. Responding to Kraken's Dan Held, Pliego added that he has the remaining 99% of his assets in precious metals. The billionaire appears to be done with cash, joining the ranks of institutional investors to seek out safety in digital assets. This isn't Pliegos' first foray into the Bitcoin market, though. He first got exposed to Bitcoin in 2016, purchasing units in Grayscale's Bitcoin Investment Trust when the asset, when it only traded at $800. Now, depending on how much he bought and sold since then, the businessman would have already made some sizable returns, that's for certain. And what a time it is for early Bitcoin investors. After shrugging off a dull first half, Bitcoin, it has really been on a tear in the last quarter of the year. And now it's on to record highs of December 2017. It's going to pass them soon. Bitcoin is on track to end the year above the $20,000 price peg. So another billionaire is jumping on the Bitcoin bandwagon. I kind of feel like I say this a lot lately. There's a lot of billionaires, it seems like, jumping on the bandwagon. Let me know your thoughts in the comments, as always. And this episode, it's brought to you by Swan Bitcoin. Now, I really, really do recommend Swan Bitcoin to all my friends that are invested in Bitcoin. I'm not just saying that. I'm actually an advisor to Swan. So, of course, I wouldn't even be involved with them if I didn't think it was a great way to buy Bitcoin with dollar cost averaging and actually get yourself some skin in the game. Whether you do $5 a week, $10 a month, whatever, it's just amazing how quickly people start learning about Bitcoin once they actually get some skin in the game and own a little Bitcoin. Use my referral link, swanbitcoin.com/Gary, and receive $10 worth of Bitcoin as a reward. I'm Gary Leland, the Bitcoin Boomer, and thanks for joining me on another 4-Minute Bitcoin show. This is a BitBlockBoom.com production.